Would you like to put your signature on Google Docs profile? So let's say you want to put your own signature here using Google Docs. The first one, go to here, insert, and then drawing, and click on new one. Okay, and then click here, line, and choose scribble. Let's say I'm going to put some example of signature here. Alright, so let's say this is your signature, and also you can change the line weight here. Let's say you want to choose this one, 4px. Alright, so after you are done, click on save and close. Alright, so this is your signature. To put it under the signature here, and you should click here in front of text, and then you can drag here and change the size as you want. Alright, it's done. So this is how you put your own signature using Google Docs for your Google Docs profile. Alright, so I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.